Welcome to Sesame Soy Vegetables by Mr. B. This is for my middle school students. You'll need 2 cups of vegetables. Here I'm using frozen stir-fry vegetables, but you can use anything like green beans or cauliflower, broccoli, even carrots. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of garlic. You will also need 1/2 a cup of water and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch dissolved in 2 teaspoons of water. Go ahead and leave the spoon in there. Heat up a pan on medium-high heat and add in the vegetable oil. Go ahead and heat the oil until it shimmers or looks like it has little waves in it. If it starts smoking, then you've heated it too much. If you see it shimmer or have little waves, add in the vegetables. I'm using the frozen vegetables here, and if you're using non-frozen vegetables, it'll take less time. Go ahead and keep stirring it, and you'll see what looks like steam coming off of it, but that's just really because of the frost. So go ahead and keep stirring those. It'll take a couple minutes until they're nice and warm. Once they're warmed through, go ahead and add in the garlic. Keep stirring it for about 30 seconds to a minute and a half, depending on your heat, until you start really smelling the garlic, or if you see it start changing color. Once you see the garlic change color or start really smelling strong of cooked garlic, add in your 1/2 cup of water. Then go ahead and add in your sesame oil and your soy sauce. Stir that together until it warms up. Once it warms up, go ahead and give your cornstarch and water mixture a little stir, and then pour that into the liquid. Bring it up to a boil, and it will thicken up and look quite nice and glossy. This can take about 2 or 3 minutes for it to get nice and thick. I've cut out the time here. Go ahead and keep cooking it till it's the consistency you want. And then you can serve it either by itself or over rice. And if you want, you could add chicken to it or something and make a complete dish out of it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.